How to calculate PML. Determine the dollar amount, the dollar value of the property to arrive at the potential loss from a catastrophic event when the entire property was destroyed in that event. Determine the risk factors that are likely to cause an event that would lead to damage or loss of property. This can include the location of the property. For example, properties on the ocean shore are more prone to flooding. It can also include building materials, buildings made of wood or more susceptible to fire. Take into consideration risk mitigating factors that can prevent damage or loss, such as proximity to a fire station, alarms, and sprinklers. A risk analysis will need to be performed to determine the scale at which the risk mitigating factors will reduce the probability of an event that would lead to damage or loss of property. The last step involves multiplying the value of the property by that expected loss percentage, which is the difference between the expected loss and the risk mitigating factors. For example, if a home on the shore and its value is $300,000 and the house has been raised on stilts to avoid flooding as a risk mitigating factor, which reduces the expected loss by 30%, then calculating the probable maximum loss should be $300,000. So 100% minus 30% equals 210. The example above is a simplified version, and the more risk mitigating factors a property has, the further the probable maximum loss will be reduced. Most properties are at risk of damage by a variety of means, and so ensuring protection against all variables will not only benefit an insurance company in the amount that they will have to cover in case of a catastrophic event, but it will also reduce the premiums his policyholder will have to pay. What is an EML risk? An EML risk is the estimated maximum loss in insurance. It is an estimate of the maximum loss that the insurance companies can expect on a policy. To arrive at the estimate, insurance companies base the number on previous losses, so there is no specific formula they utilize to arrive at EML.